This clip is about understanding division using manipulatives. We're going to use base 10 blocks to solve a word problem. We're going to solve this word problem. There are 27 teacher candidates in section 4, and they need to work in 3 groups for their next assignment. So the first thing I'm going to do is make 3 circles, one for each group. See? Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Then I need some manipulatives. For this clip, we're going to use base 10 blocks, which can be found in most classrooms. Children learn really well with these as they can touch and feel them and really practice the concepts that they're learning. So I have here pictures of base 10 blocks. These long, thin red ones each count for 10 of something, and these little blue ones each count for 1 of something. Of course, in the classroom, these aren't pictures, they're actual 3D objects which your students can use as they learn the concepts in mathematics. So let's count these up. Remember, each of these is worth 10. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I have a total of 27 base 10 blocks and cubes. As I've written down here, I have 2 base 10 blocks representing 20 teacher candidates. Here I have 7 ones cubes representing 7 teacher candidates. Let's look at how all these pictures relate to the problem that we're trying to solve. I had 27 teacher candidates and I have 27 blocks. We're trying to divide them into equal groups, like so. This is why I have 1, 2, 3 circles for 1, 2, 3 groups. So we're trying to divide 27 by 3. How am I going to share these 2 long red base 10 blocks into 1, 2, 3 circles? It looks like I have a bit of a problem. What do you think I should do? I think what I need to do is a trade. Remember, each of these is worth 10 ones cubes. So if I traded in this, I could have 10 ones cubes instead, which would be easier to physically share out among the 3 circles. Let's do that. There we go. And we'll do it to this one too. So now, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 20 ones cubes, which is the same as having 2 base 10 blocks. I haven't started sharing anything out yet. I've just made it easier for us to begin the sharing process. As I begin, it doesn't matter how many TCs I share at a time. What does matter is that I always put an equal number of TCs into each group at each step in my sharing process. For now, I'm going to focus on friendly numbers. And generally speaking, at this grade level, which would be about 3, friendly numbers would be considered 5s, 10s, and 20s. Let's do 5s. That means I'm going to put 5 TCs, or 5 little ones cubes, into each group. Let's put 5 into group 1. Because I have to share equally, I'm going to put 5 into group 2 and 5 into group 3. How many TCs have I assigned altogether in this first step then? Let's count. 5, 10, 15. I've shared out 15 in total, but each group has 5 TCs in it. 5 TCs in group 1, 5 TCs in group 2, and 5 TCs in group 3. How many TCs are left to assign? Here are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 more to share out into 3 groups. How many should we share out this time? Let's try equal groups of 3. So if I put these 3 TCs into group 1, then I must put 3 also into group 2 and 3 into group 3. How many TCs were just assigned in total in that step? Let's count. We have 3, 6, 9. So I assigned a total of 9, Each group, however, received 3 more. There were 3 for group 1, 3 for group 2, and 3 for group 3, making a total of 9. How many are left to still assign? 1, 2, 3. That's pretty easy. We've got 3 TCs and 3 groups. So let's give those away now too. 1 into group 1. Remember it has to be equal, so 1 into group 2 and 1 into group 3. How many TCs did I assign all together in that step? Well, it was a total of 1, 2, 3. Each of the groups got an additional 1. Group 1 got 1, Group 2 got 1, and Group 3 got 1. Let's go back to reading our problem again. There are 27 teacher candidates in Section 4, and they need to work in 3 groups for their next assignment. So how many teacher candidates would be in each group? Well, we've done the division. We've made 3 equal groups. How many are there in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 3 equal groups of 9. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. Modelling good answers for your students, you would encourage them to write the answer out in full. Teacher candidates would be divided into 3 equal groups of 9.